So let's move on our part number 3 about the basic concepts of a computer. In a previous lectures we see about how the media of a computer, then what are the input devices, their examples, output devices, CPU, the extra information about the CPU and the extra information about the memory. There we see the memory. It have the three types: RAM, okay, RAM, ROM, and the storage devices. Today we will learn about the information about the RAM, ROM, and the storage devices. So good luck, guys, because I am here, so no fear. I hope that you have seen my first and second part because every video is related to each other. If you can't see and you don't know anything about a computer, then I request you please see it first. So let's move on our handwritten notes. So first type is RAM, then ROM and storage device. So let's see about the RAM. RAM is nothing but the read access memory. Okay. So let's see the definition. A computer that stores information for temporary work, and once the computer is turned off, data in a RAM memory is erased. If you have some work on a computer and you have to store the information for a temporary, then you have to use the RAM. If you do the calculation, okay, if you have to do the calculation, wait, see here. If you want to do calculation, and here is your calculator 1 2 3 etc, all plus minus, and you have to do here the 2 plus 5 and is equal to 7. It is a temporary work. Okay, so this temporary work is done on the RAM. RAM is read access memory, and after you close the computer, then when you switch off it, all the work is erased, means it is not present when you once again open or restart your computer. But in the ROM memory contain important instructions for the computer to work even if the computer is turned off. If you turn off the computer here on the ROM memory, then there is no erased any data. It is stored. It contains the more important instructions. Why? Because these are all the storage is very important. So in a ROM there is nothing anything deleted, or when you switched off the computer it is not erased, but in the RAM the data is erased. Then third one is a storage devices. We know that once computer is turned off, when RAM is open, like as a calculator, okay, turn off, then all the information which we write in a RAM is automatically deleted. Okay, then if you want to store the information in a RAM, we have to store that information using storage devices. If you are writing here some letter and you not completed it and you have to send that letter to your friend, but once the light is turned off, then your written letter is erased. So how you can store it? So you have to use the storage devices. You have to save this file, and this process is nothing but the saving. Storage devices, which are the storage devices? Hard disk, you can save your information in a hard disk, CD-ROM, open drive. Then extra information about the output devices. You know the output devices: monitor, printer, speaker, etc, all the output devices. So let's see the extra information about it. So what is said here: output devices are printer and speaker, also the monitor is also. So printer, you have to use a printer for information, you have to print your information on a paper. And speaker, this is an output device by which you can listen the voice of a computer. So these are the output devices which give you the output. Okay. Okay, so you hear here that RAM is a read access memory where only temporary work is done, and after turn off the computer all the memory is erased. For saving all the memory which you have to save it, then you have to use here the storage devices. You have to save this file. This process is nothing but the saving. Storage devices are nothing but the hard disk, CD-ROM, pen drive, etc. all. Then rom rom is a important instruction followed of a computer where there is a no data is erased after switch off a computer. Then we see about the output devices which are printer and speaker. Printer is used to print a your information on a paper, and speaker for listening of a voice of a computer. That's all information about a computer. That's it. There are also the some type of a room. So I will only tell you the name of the types of a room. So let's see. Like this, our room is looks. The type of a room first is a programmable, read only memory, then erasable programmable, read only memory, then electrical erasable programmable, read only memory. So this is over here given. The room means read only memory. Okay, memory. Let's I show you the picture of a RAM. So this is our RAM. Okay, it's look like that. Sample of a RAM, and this is also of a Intel. So today we learn about the RAM means a read access memory for a temporary work it is used. Then ROM, read only memory, which is for the important work. Storage devices, if any information is not stored in a RAM which is important for you or the user, then here use on the storage devices like a hard disk, pen drive, etc. all. So this is the end of this topic. Sorry, of this part. Bye guys. If you like the video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe it. Bye bye.